In every community in America, there are families in crisis. But here in Northwest Arkansas, women, men, and children are finding help and hope behind these walls. This once abandoned hospital and convent has been brought back to life. The Center for Nonprofits at St. Mary's houses up to 40 nonprofit agencies under one roof, each providing desperately needed health, education, and human services to those in our community.
The abuse had escalated to a point where that I was fearing for my life as well as my children. And if the shelter hadn't been there, I wouldn't be alive.
Thousands of women like Tammy are benefiting from the services found at the Northwest Arkansas Women's Shelter. This new, larger location at the Center for Nonprofits at St. Mary's is bringing even more healing to families by giving women and children their own private rooms to work through the effects of domestic violence together.
My 50-year-old daughter told me that it was amazing to be able to take off her shoes and sleep in a bed and feel safe for the first time.
Those escaping violent situations often have to start over with no resources. Here, families have access to valuable services, counseling, adult education classes, and medical treatment at the center's in-house health department and community clinic.
We served more than 15,000 people in this last year, many of them children.
As a little girl, I slept with a Bible on my chest because I was so afraid of my mother and thought she would kill me in my sleep.
After growing up in the foster care system, Becky Schaefer knows what it's like to live in fear. She dreamed up Saving Grace to give young women who've aged out of foster care a safe place to live, learn, and grow. Like the Women's Shelter, Saving Grace offers residents their own rooms and the same access to life-changing resources at the Center for Nonprofits at St. Mary's. In order to continue to provide these valuable services to our community, we need your help. With this Pepsi Refresh Award, we'll be able to renovate our facility into an energy-efficient community center and transform former hospital patient rooms into warm, inviting residential spaces. We'll also be able to continue offering deeply discounted leasing rates to our nonprofit organizations so they can put their energy where it belongs, into serving their clients.
This is about the soul of a people who help each other, because that's what we do. This is our legacy in Northwest Arkansas.